Oh hello, it is Sunday, May 15th or 16th. Anyway, we're going to bring Zelda off to the beach for the first time, as it is one of those really freak weekends in Ireland where we've had 2 days of good weather in a row. Gotta take advantage. Just waiting on my friend Brendan to call over, and we are off to either Portmarnock or Skerries. Not fully sure yet. So Zoe added a few more little flares to Zelda's area yesterday. It looks pretty good, look. Enter. The lettering up. A little mobile thing. That's pretty cool. Also, check this out. One handy thing about being a dad is you can get away with having dirt on your top. And people just go, oh, I guess he was just doing a feed. Little do they know, it was actually my porridge. Brendan's here. Yeah. Now, off to the beach with us. Woo! Is Zelda excited for her first trip to the beach?
Static. Yep. Weather.
So, future generations, if you're wondering what we used technology for in 2016, picture messaging was used so that I would be able to see Zelda, who's directly behind me, but from the front of the car. Yep, great use of technology, eh? We were just getting stuff ready there to drive off, and then a space came up.
Used to people not having any interest in talking to you.
Yes.
Yeah, people don't say hi to me first anymore.
Oh yeah. First time on the beach. But it's really cold because that's Ireland for you. So now we've got to find a resting place to put our towels around us. This shows you how warm it is. Iron jumper, towel around her.
So cold. I have factor 30 in my bag.
Does that keep you warm? So the debate that's going on right now is, will we or will we not go into the sea, which is going to be torturously cold. Brendan, what do you reckon? Oh, it's going to happen. So if you're watching this from outside of Ireland, it's really shit getting into the Irish Sea. Swim wasn't so bad in the end. Pretty ball shrivelingly cold at the start, but it was okay. How was Zelda's first trip to the beach?
She enjoyed her nap. Yeah. She could have been at home, really. The window opened. Same difference, really.
Oh, okay. So it's nice to say she's been here though. To be fair, I think the person who had the most fun was Penny Penster. That's Zoe's I would like a pear cider face. The main telltale signs are the tongue. Look. See that? Thirsty. This pizzeria, and they didn't have any seating outside. I asked could we bring out these little tables and one chair for Zoe. Shout out to these guys. Guys, that was amazing. It's not often you get a day like that in Ireland, so you really got to take the opportunity. You get beaches, pizza and ice cream. Yum yum. We're all a little bit tired now. Zoe and Zelda are gone up to bed for a little bit of a nap. You can tell she's extra tired when you can poke her in the eye. Yep, she's tired.
Was built on the work of natural finding species used continues to this day.
Now I'm going to retire to watching some Brian Cox Wonders of Life, and finish off this feed and let Zelda go off to bed. It's quite nice. She's actually at this moment in time at 2.5 months. She has kind of got a decent enough routine where she will have one big feed before bed and then maybe one in the middle of the night. But she's stretching it to like 6 or 7 hours of sleep now, which is pretty good.
Her body is built from a host of different molecules, and by far the most diverse group are known as proteins.